If your Westinghouse heated blanket is showing an E or EE error, it can be frustrating, especially when you're expecting warmth and instead get a flashing code. This error usually points to a connection or safety issue, often related to the controller, wiring, or internal sensors. It might look serious at first, but in many cases, it's triggered by something simple like a loose plug or improper setup. Since heated blankets include built-in safety features, they'll stop working if something isn't detected correctly. The key is to carefully check the connections and reset the system without forcing anything. Once everything is properly aligned, the blanket often returns to normal operation without needing replacement. Try these. Step 1. Unplug the heated blanket from the power outlet. Step 2. Check the connection between the controller and blanket for looseness. Step 3. Reconnect all plugs firmly and ensure proper alignment. Step 4. Plug the blanket back into a working power outlet. Step 5. Turn it on and see if the error clears. Step 6. If the error remains, try a different outlet or contact support.